Okay, so already I was asking for some adjustment because I'm vertically challenged. One friend of mine was saying, we are all tall. The difference is that some are tall from the ground and some are tall from up. So, ukiwa mrefu kutoka juu, unaonekana uko chini. So, our guest of honor, Prof. Ken Walibora, our provincial superior, Sister Jane, a very able head teacher, and I would say principal, Sister Nance Anastasia, and your team, both teaching staff and the support staff, my brother priests, Father Daniel and Father Levinus. I know Father Iha was to come back here. I'm seeing him down there. Now, I don't know what I should do because I'll be doubling also with introducing them. So, ningeomba tu sisters na priests to be hapa. Please be kind to me and move fast so that we... Najua mtu mzima ni vizuri ajizungumzie jina and where you are working. So, karibuni hapa.
God is good and all the time. So Father Iha Johnson working in the Cathedral Parish.
God is good and all the time. Sister Catherine Mwelu working as a PMC coordinator in the Secretariat of Mombasa. God is good and all the time. I'm Sister Helen from Cathedral.
So I broke the observation of the protocol so that they introduce themselves. Father Daniel is already out. He was with us in Mass. And also Father Levinus, one of the principal chaplains. It's a new position which is coming in the Archdiocese. Again, with the issues of the new curriculum, the BEF, the Basic Education Framework, as the chair has mentioned. So we have also new positions in the Archdiocese. Dear staff members, support staff, pupils, parents, guardians, invited guests, and our esteemed pupils. Good morning. I don't know whether we are already past 12. Good morning. And good afternoon if it's past midday. Okay. So mine will be very, very brief because I know our guest of honor, Prof, has a lot for us. My position in the Archdiocese, many times you have such occasions. I've been missing out in action because at some moments we normally have 2 or 3 events which sometimes tie. But this time I thank Sister and the Board of Management, Board of Directors. I got the invitation early enough so we were able to reschedule that we be together this day. For those whom we've never met, my position is actually mediation between Catholic education and the ministry. You know that our church, the Catholic Church, is a giant educator, and I wouldn't like to brag for the church, but we are the most competent and great stakeholder and partner of the ministry. We have 8,000 institutions in the country, institutions of the likes of Loreto, in different categories, of course. Those schools run by congregations, like this one, Loreto, St. Joseph's, diocesan schools. We have in the Archdiocese, a guest of honor, Prof, 38 public secondary schools, which we do sponsor, 189 primary schools, which we do sponsor, public. We have 5 private secondary schools, 27 primary schools, including Loreto, 72 public ECDs, and 45 private ECDs. We have 9 public technical schools and 8 private technical schools, the institutions of Father Daniel, and 1 TTC, that is a private one, at Bura. Why I'm mentioning this, Prof, is that Loreto, in all these institutions in the Archdiocese, Loreto stands out. And I would comfortably say it stands out in all aspects. If we look at the BEF, the Basic Education Framework, the new curriculum insists on value-based education, where we now take into account even talents. Kama mtoto anapiga kelele sana kwa classroom, ni noise maker. Okay, tutampunish kidogo, avoiding corporal punishment, but again tutamsaidia awe mtangazaji wa mpira. That's where the Basic Education Framework team took an issue with the talents. Kwa sababu we've been despising all these issues. Kama mtoto yeye ni wa mchezo, he or she's a monkey in the classroom, assembly, very mischievous and funny. Mara nyingi tumekuwa tunapunish huyo mtoto. Tunamshika, tunamchapa, wewe utakuwa mtukutu. But could that boy come out to be churchy and make thousands and thousands of young people ambao watajipatia riziki zao, na wengine even we brand them professors. Professor Hamu tunamtuma mpaka Ulaya, I represent Kenya kama prof, and is hiding in the shadow of professor here, na anaenda kama prof. So this is the angle and focus we are taking now. And I would comfortably say also that that is done in Loreto, or at Loreto. And in Mombasa, we should be actually very, very grateful. Kwa sababu I know of only 3 areas in Kenya where Loretians are. Nairobi, Eldoret, Sister Jane, and Mombasa. Clap for yourselves. These are schools where, as education secretaries, we don't frequent to correct things. I just have to lift my cell phone and greet Sister Anastasia. Vipi mnaendeleaje? Naona Kakamega mko Masinde leo. Because these policy issues are taken care in a very unique way because of the establishment of the structure of the Loretians. I happen to be sitting at the Commission of Catholic Education in Kenya, and we purposely and deliberately took a Loreto sister. I think Mama is aware, Superior Jane, that there is a Loretian who sits in the Commission of 13 people of Catholic Education. Not only to learn, but also to bring this wealth of experience over 100 years in being educators. So sasa, kama nyinyi mna hao watu ambao wanakuja kujenga Catholic education in Kenya, and those are your immediate educators. Mna bahati kama hiyo kweli wazazi? Kuna bahati kama hiyo? So mine is just to hail the good work which is going on in this school. In our analysis, Loreto is among the 3 top schools. The schools I've mentioned. Tujipigie makofi. That is in academics. I would rate you also number 1 in the extracurriculum side. I've heard that you sent 5 items to national school, to national festivals. Sasa kuna zones ambazo hazikupeleka hata mchezo wa baiskeli, but you are doing it. So yangu ni kuwahimiza kwamba mshirikiane, don't want to take much of your time, mshirikiane na board. And I noted, and Apole Bwana Chairman, for saying this, I hope it will not be an offense to you. But when the chairman was doing his speech, I observed some wet eyes. I observed. I think that emotional experience is like telling us he needs to be here to continue mentoring and help these young ones grow. And if that is the spirit of the board of directors and the PTA and the teachers, I am comfortable to say that we are on the right way. So sister will be there, as we have always been, on the technicalities within our local area. When these times of basic the licenses, business licenses, accounting, we are there to support you, because this is our school. And I'm happy for the cordial relationship with the ministry, with the county. Kuna wakati walikuwa wameshika Madam Gertrude, Sister Gertrude, so tukasema ashukishwe mara moja, arudi shule, because as Catholics we are not doing business in the schools. Mkilipa school fees, we plow back that same money ndio watoto wapate rasilimali za kulelewa. It's the only school in Mombasa, I think, apart from Aga Khan and the others, ambao tunaenda kwa ndege Kisumu. So that money is plowed back so that our jamaa wapate self-esteem. Because akienda Kisumu kwa ndege na yuko KG3, akipata yule bankwe wangu, atachagua mtu ambaye ataweza kumpeleka na kwa ndege Kisumu. Lakini sasa akienda na bodaboda Kisumu, utapata bankwe wa baiskeli. Si kwamba ni mbaya, lakini hajatamani kwenda na kwa ndege. So what you are giving us, what you are giving to Laurentians, ni njia, ni uwezo wa kututengenezea hawa watu ambao watakuwa na maana baadaye. Lastly, young ones, sitaki niwaachilie just 1 minute. What your parents are doing to you and your teachers here and the educators is great. So nyinyi mjaribu tu kuwa na heshima. This year our theme, education celebration this year, is Catholic schools hubs of integrity. Najua ile kigunzi ya mahindi ni hub ya zile seeds zinashikilia hub. So tunasema our Catholic schools are hubs of integrity. And integrity is these things you are doing here, as the chair has pointed out. Respect. Ukiambiwa kunja mkono nyuma, it doesn't mean that we are enslaving you. Because mtoto ambaye amekunja mikono nyuma, akichokozwa, You know, it takes time to shove out your hand and so ukichokozwa ile kitu ya karibu kabisa ni kulia. Because at that time una mikono, and that is the integrity of staying calm. Don't use abusive words. Respect. Truthfulness. Kama unaenda kwa kina Dan, in the next estate, in the next apartment, then tell mama you are going kwa kina Dan. That is truthfulness. Useme naenda chini kuangalia TV, alafu unaenda kwa kina Dan. Truthfulness. Ukweli. Be God fearing. Kama unaenda mosque, then Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Put your kanzu, rush to the mosque. Kama unaenda Catholic, mama anaenda, usisukumwe. If you are going to PCA, usisukumwe. Love your God. Nafikiri malizia, forgiveness. Samehe. Because we had a big case at Mangu. Head student, the president, amepiga ngumi mtoto mwenzake kwa assembly. Then you are given a small punishment. And it's not very, very corporal. Enda pale ufieke, watu wakiwa class wanakuangalia. Then you move 200 students wagome waende nyumbani because umeambiwa umepiga mwenzake. Integrity is saying, nimekosa, nitafieka kidogo, alafu unaendelea. And our parents, tusiwahurumie sana. Give beautiful parental punishments. Msiwapige ngumi. Lakini wakati wa dining, kama ni wakati wa kudine, wa kula, nunua kiti ya red. I'm giving you some tips. Nunua kiti cha red, eka kwa kona, na stool ndogo kama dining table. So wakati wa kula mchana, mwambie wewe, vile umeenda kwa kina Dan na huku niambia, utakula pale kwa kiti cha red. Inaikona peke yako. Try that. Hiyo ni zaidi ya ngumu. Hata rudia, nakula chakula kwa meza nyekundu peke yako. So let us try to be also a bit tough to them, not so much leniency to them. So nisichukue wakati wenu, nilete salamu nyingi za baba askofu, na Mungu awabariki sana, and keep up the beautiful good work. Na pongezini kwa kuleta watu kama hao kuwa wageni, because what these people need these days si maneno. They need role models, they need mentors. Kenya yetu pale imefikia saa hii haitaki rally, because kila mtu anajua kuzungumza. But we need words, na pia tuone mentors, watu kama hawa ambao wamebobea kupitia kwa ministries na wanajua pale kiatu inadunda. Mungu awabariki sana.